Hi, this is the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Icon Changer app. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and you'll see here all of the available applications. For example, let's use the Contacts application. Here we should tap to edit icon to rename it. If you wanna switch the library, here the icon from the library, select one from this available folder, select the icon, and that's it. Also, you could use photo from your device gallery, and also you could use your camera app to take a photo and just to set it on your icon on the application. For example, let's find the one from the contacts icon, tap to OK on the right upper corner. So now we should skip the videos. We could add this icon to home screen, so we could change the next icon by the same way or go to desktop directly. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.